This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Do a patch test for 24 hours and stop if irritation appears. Once clear, cleanse thoroughly and leave skin slightly damp. That moisture helps absorption. Pour 3-4 drops into your palms or onto a cotton pad. You should apply immediately. Don't let the product sit. Then gently press or swipe from center of face outward. This first pass sets the base for other products and ensures even distribution without oversaturating. You want to pat the toner in rather than rub. Patting increases penetration and reduces friction. If your skin feels dry, apply a second thin layer, 1-2 extra pats, to build hydration gradually. Make sure to wait roughly 30 to 60 seconds so the toner sinks in before moving to serums or actives. When using acids or vitamin C afterward, sequence them thoughtfully. Lighter, water-based items first, then thicker treatments. This helps prevent pilling and maximizes efficacy. You finish by sealing the toner with your regular serum and moisturizer. In the morning, always add SPF on top. Store the bottle upright in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to preserve potency. If you experience burning or persistent redness, pause use and switch to every other day or dilute with a drop of moisturizer until tolerance builds. If severe irritation continues, discontinue and consult a dermatologist. Otherwise, resume gentle daily use as tolerance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.